Whoop. Got about 7 deer here. Whoops. I need to do something about this tripod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A couple down there is 7. Actually, I'm getting 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go ahead, Mama. It's okay. Go ahead. Acting all nervous. I guess because I just came out and set the camera up. She's not usually terribly nervous. I believe that's Andre with her. Uh-oh. Oh. See how much, oh, you couldn't really see. I guess it's on the other side of the mother, but that's another fawn there that just got chased out by the giant fawn, Andre. Throwing his weight around. Are you throwing your weight around, Andre? The yearling-sized male fawn. He's so big. I can only tell it's him by his behavior, the way he carries himself. He's always kind of nervous and he throws his tail up at the slightest provocation. Don't you, buddy? Yeah, you do. Yeah, that's it. Look right at the camera so we can see your little bumps, your little pedicles. Everybody knows I'm not imagining it. That you actually are a boy. The neighbors are making noise over there. Getting everybody nervous. He also has a very dark tail, black tail mostly. It's alright, guys. It's just the neighbors. Don't worry about it. It's alright. It's okay. Everybody's nervous because of the noise and activity over there. It's okay, little one. Don't be scared. It's just the neighbors. Crunch, crunch, crunch. I'm whipping around too fast, I think, ain't I? I was trying to get everybody. Which ain't an easy thing, especially when they're moving around, which they do a lot. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Crunching that corn. Eat that sweet feed too, it's better for you. I've noticed the young ones, the fawns, and maybe even some of the yearlings, they tend to just want the corn, don't you? You just want to eat the corn and you leave the sweet feed. Whereas the adult does, they pretty much eat everything. Somebody's standing down there staring into the woods for some reason. What is it, honey? Somebody else coming? There's somebody else coming, I think. There's definitely something down there that deer is transfixed by. What is it? What's out there? Something.